Hello. If you're working online and you're applying for remote jobs and you don't really understand how Google Drive works, this video is for you. Google Drive helps you store files, organize your documents, and share your work professionally with clients and employers. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use Google Drive, from organizing data, sharing documents, and uploading documents on Google Drive. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't make common mistakes that confuse clients. Let's get started. Right, when you go to your browser, I normally use Google Chrome. You click on the nine dots by the right hand side of your browser and you go to your Google Drive. Yes, this is our Google Drive. Now, this is the interface that will show when you open your Google Drive. I have some documents here because this is the drive that I'm already using. So I am going to run you through on how to use all this. So we're starting with new. When I click on new, you can see new folder, file upload, folder upload. Let me tell you the difference between a file and a folder. Now, a file is a single document. When a client asks you to send a file, please don't send a folder. A folder is when you have different files in one folder. Now I'm going to show you an example of a file and a folder. Now, all these are files. All these are files. So I want to show you a folder. Let me see if I can get a folder here. Okay, let me use my desktop. Maybe I can get a folder. Now this is a file, and this is a folder. Now when you open this folder, you see different files. So that is the difference between a file and a folder. So we're going back to Google Drive. So when you click on new, you want to upload a folder. You can create a new folder from here. You title the folder training, and you create. So you can see that you now have a new folder, although it's empty. So that's how to create a folder. Now, if you want to upload a file, you click on file upload and go to your system. Maybe you want to upload numbers, click open, and your file is being uploaded here. So you can open it by right clicking on it, but your numbers have been uploaded into your drive. Now I want to search for numbers on my drive. Here we have it here. Numbers have been uploaded into my drive. So next is the same method you use in uploading file is the same way you use upload folder. So that is how we upload files on Google Drive. Now we are going to home page. Now in your home page, you have your suggested folder. If you're opening your Google Drive for the first time, here will be empty because you have no folder yet. Then even you have no files yet, so this space will be empty. But as you start uploading files and folder, everything will get to this page, right? So we'll go to my drive. In my drive, we have files that are mine, files that are personally for me, that I uploaded on my drive. Then These are the files in my computer. I can decide to bring them to my drive, or I can decide to leave them in my computer. Now, shared with me are files that have been sent to you, that have been shared with you. Maybe you are taking a course and they share a file with you. You find that file under share with me. Then here is recent. Like, if you notice, I just uploaded the file number, so this is the recent 3:30 p.m. So this is my recent file. The next is start. If you just the way you save some of your documents on your WhatsApp, you start it because you want to come back to it later. There's some documents that you don't want to look for, you just go to start folder and you have it here. Then the next is spam. Some documents are sent to your folders, you don't find it in your inbox, you check your spam. If they don't appear here, that means they have been permanently removed. The next is trash. If you did, I hardly delete my files on my Google Drive. So if you delete any of your file, you can come back here and remove it before 30 days. Now, your storage. If you open your the first time, you're going to have a free space, but after usage, you have to start paying. I think the payment is 1,700 naira per month to get your file. So basically, you just have to run through the interface to understand how to use Google Drive. And I hope we understand everything about Google Drive. Thank you for watching. So I hope you understand how to use Google Drive to organize your files and share your documents, upload your documents. I hope you clearly understand how to navigate the interface in Google Drive. If you have any question, you can come to my comment section. I will answer as fast as possible. So share this with someone who needs the skill. If this video has helped you, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I am going to be talking about Google Form. Stay tuned. Get your notification on so you won't miss the next video. Bye.